IntelliPlex is an advanced analytics suite for the Plex manufacturing cloud. Manufacturers today depend on Plex to streamline their manufacturing and business operations. IntelliPlex leverages comprehensive Plex data to deliver advanced analytics for timely business decisions. IntelliPlex is easy to set up, quick to implement, and with a set of pre-built analytic portals from day one, accelerates the time to value for your company. IntelliPlex aggregates detailed data from all of your manufacturing locations, enabling a true enterprise-level view of your business. And as a browser-based application, IntelliPlex allows secured and untethered access to your business data, no matter where you are. Market dynamics change how businesses operate. Products used to be more standardized, with steady demand signals that were easily met with simple supply chains. Customer demands were more predictable. But as the market has moved to a fluid environment, lead times have compressed, product variations have increased, and supply chains have become globalized and complex. This new reality requires manufacturers like you to be more agile and have greater visibility and timely control of your operations. But because of the exponential growth in manufacturing data, it can be difficult to extract actionable insight. This is why manufacturers have turned to analytic solutions to run their businesses more efficiently. IntelliPlex seamlessly aggregates, synthesizes, and delivers information you can trust. A few clicks are all that's needed to configure and customize your view of the data. Its user-friendly graphical interface allows you to personalize data models to suit your unique business needs, making the data more relevant for your organization. The self-service, ad hoc query functionality quickly gets you the data and answers you need without having to write a single line of code or know the underlying data structure. With pre-built analytic portals and thousands of available metrics by functional groups, access to comprehensive business and operational details is quick and effortless. IntelliPlex frees you from data collection and data manipulation so you can focus on running your business. IntelliPlex pulls data from all of your manufacturing facilities to deliver an enterprise-wide view of your business. With the ability to view data holistically, you can compare plant performance, balance inventories, and maximize production capacities. And best practices can be shared across different plants to improve your overall operational metrics. Corporate decisions, such as whether to centralize or localize supply chains, can be made objectively. As a browser-based application, IntelliPlex is accessible anywhere, on any device that has access to the Internet. With this untethered access, you can make critical business decisions, even when you're not in the office. Additionally, daily and weekly management reports can be generated and distributed automatically, minimizing the need for human intervention. IntelliPlex is the tool to identify trends, patterns, and areas for continuous improvement. The more you rely on this analytics platform, the quicker the return on investment. With Plex as the manufacturing system of records, IntelliPlex delivers aggregated and comprehensive enterprise-wide insights for a holistic view of your organization. IntelliPlex gives you untethered access anywhere, anytime, allowing you to manage your business on the go. To learn more or see a more detailed demonstration, please contact Plex at 855-534-8012 or visit us online at plex.com.